Welcome to Off Campus. Today's video we are going to discuss about Panasonic video door phone connection with electric lock and the same with access control device also. In Panasonic devices you can see in the diagram one main display unit, one outdoor device and a free handset also. We all know that some video door phone devices having the option to trigger electric lock, that is no contact. In some cases trigger comes out from outdoor device or from main display unit. But here in this case in Panasonic devices all NO trigger comes from the main display device to trigger the NO contact of electric locks coil. Almost all electric lock having NO contact. We are aware that difference between relay NO and NC. NO means contact normally in open position and until a trigger comes. Once the trigger comes to NO contact, it will get short and electric lock coil performs the action and gate will open. NC performs the opposite action of NO, that is normally it is in contact position and once trigger comes contact will open and perform the action. Mostly NC contact works in electromagnetic locks, that is EM lock. In almost all the outdoor gates trigger with NO contact only because it is electric lock with coil. Here you can connect your main display unit to an AC supply. Make sure to switch off all supply until all installation completed. D1, D2 from main device need to connect directly to outdoor unit, that is your outdoor camera unit. Okay. Then there are S1 and S2 also, that is common and NO connection. Connect your S2 directly to electric lock pin 1. Connect your S1 through a transformer to electric lock pin 2 as shown in the diagram. This is how you can connect a Panasonic door phone device with electric lock. Sometimes there may be a problem will arise like you couldn't get proper voltage to trigger the electric lock. So in this case you need to check the voltage in lock side by using a multimeter. If it is not enough to trigger the voltage in lock side, then you can use a 24 volt 5 amps DC power supply, SMPS type. Okay, this is the basic connection for an electric lock with video door phone. Now we need to connect the same with access control device also, because if you're coming from outside you need to open your gate by either manual key or make a call from your outdoor device. Then someone need to comes from or someone need to take the call from inside and they need to open. Okay, in these scenarios and all, if you are keeping one access control device nearby your video door phone, then you can use either fingerprint, card or password to open your gate lock. Okay, let us see the connection diagram. Make sure to connect your access control device to a separate 12 volt 5 amps or 3 amps DC supply by using an adapter. Please remember one thing, you don't use your transformer 12 volt out to the access control device because it is AC out only, so it may damage the device. Okay, as shown in the diagram, connect your access control device to 12 volt DC supply, then take the relay connection NO and common to electric lock as per diagram. NO from access control device connect parallel with S2 and common connected with S1, which is the ground comes out from transformer. Now the physical part of your connection almost done. Then you need to switch down your main devices, access control, everything. Okay, then after start the video door phone configuration. Go to main menu, set up initial settings like time, power supply frequency and your language. After setting all these, go to connected devices, then your outdoor station will shows like door phone 1, door phone 2, likewise. And you can enable your electric door lock also. Now you can check your connections. You can call from outside and make unlock from inside. I hope everyone understand the concept of electric lock with door phone and access control devices. Thank you for watching.